Hi viewers, in our previous session we have seen how to launch Chrome browser using Selenium code. In today's session we will see some basics on XPath. Before seeing that, you can always try to reach us at tamilstocktips@gmail.com, or you can ping us in Google Hangouts whenever we are free, and we'll try to provide some basic support on automation, installation, or if you face any issues. During our free timings, we'll try to provide support to you. Okay, let's see the code which we have seen in our previous session. Okay, this is a code which will launch the Chrome browser and then it will open the Yahoo URL. Okay, so if you want to perform some actions in browser, okay, let me launch the Chrome browser. Sorry. Okay. So now we have successfully launched the browser and we have opened the URL. Till that point we have reached. Assume now we want to make some actions in this website. Okay, assume you want to click this finance button. Okay, first we have to launch. We need to know how to launch the developer tool. So just click on this, click customize and control Google Chrome. Here under that, go to more options and then select the developer tools. This is one way, otherwise you can click on F12 or Ctrl Shift I. So this is what you see when you click on the developer tools. If you want to dock it on the bottom, you just select this so that it will come below. You can close this one. This is the one which we need. Okay, so assume that if you want to click on home, just click this arrow so that you will get this hand icon. When you click on this home, it will show you the corresponding HTML tag. Okay, here refers to link, and then inside A you can see home. Home is the text which you want to click. The same way, let's try another finance. Again, it is showing the link, and here you can see the finance text. Only the text content is changing. Instead of links, let's try to click on the edit box. Okay, mostly in web application you will see the input as edit box. The tag of the edit box will be mostly it will be input. We can use this ID tag. Before searching further, so here we have seen using the driver object only we are open the browser, we have launched the browser, and we have opened the URL. In the same way, put driver dot find. Here we are having two options. I will explain about the find elements in next session or later session. So choose the driver dot find element. So which means we are going to identify only one element. We are going to use by class. So under by class, we are having a lot of options: class name, ID, name, partial link text, tag name, XPath. The most commonly used things are like ID and then XPath and class names. So these are some of the most commonly used. So what this ID means? This ID is nothing but whatever the ID, the tag, this tag is having this ID. So by copy pasting this ID, we'll be able to perform some action in this edit box. There might be some tags where you will not find this ID option. In such case, we need to look for the class or XPath. So let me paste this. Just put a click and then put a click operation. So this click method will perform a click operation on the edit box. Since it is an edit box, we need to enter some text. For that, just put and then look for the methods. So send case method which will help you to enter any text. Okay. So now this code will click on this edit box using the ID and then it will enter some text. Okay, let's run this code. Before running, let me close this. Okay, click on run. Okay, my other class file is not saved. That's the reason it is asking me to save. So it has successfully launched the browser and opened the URL, and still it is loading. Once it's successfully loaded, we can see like it has entered the text. Now we want to perform some search operation. Okay, so in order to click on the search, we need to identify the controls of this search. Okay, this time I'm going to use the shortcut key F12. In your keyboard keys, you'll be able to find the F12 button. So again, you can find this. I want to dock it on the bottom. Okay. Now click on search. So what we have seen previously is like input, which is like a text box. Now it's a button. Here we can see the tag is button. Here also we are having the ID. Let's copy this. So again, driver dot find element by dot click. I'm sure that this is not proper way of writing code. All the things we can correct it in the upcoming session. Slowly we'll redesign our classes. Okay. So I'm slowly showing you how to write the code, how to convert all those to functions, and then we'll go with framework. Now it has clicked on the search. So this is one simple way to automate the code. In our next session, we'll see some other way of identifying the objects. Thanks for watching.